So this is how you take a front end loader off of a 3 or 4000 series tractor. So go ahead and tell me.
Start the tractor and put the loader bucket down and take the weight off the front end of the tractor. You don't have to lift it all the way up. Just take some of the weight off. Then pull this lock plate back and flip this up.
Okay, that just flips up there.
Yep, there's one on each side.
Okay.
So you'd have to do that on both sides.
All right. Great. That's the thing that flips up right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, this one piece should be able to.
Oh, okay. All right.
Then we'll have to start the tractor back up.
Okay. Now, so what did you just pulled off of it, huh? Okay.
I just pulled back with the lever like I was trying to raise it.
Okay.
And then everything, because it's unlocked, everything that would normally stay in place starts going down.
Okay. And will it just stay like this then? It'll rest on this bottom piece here and on here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
And then you just have to unplug the hoses.
Right. And then to load it back up, you just drive on.
Have and then push like you want the loader to go down.
Okay.
It starts sucking everything back into place.
Okay.
And once you get it up, you have to lock these locks back.
Okay, great. Yeah, push them back in.
Right.
Okay. Hey, that sounds great. All right. So you're going to do that now, probably. That's perfect. Great.
See, now with the tension too tight, you can't lift them up.
Oh, I see. All right. Good deal. Appreciate it.
Yep.